Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing K-1 fiancé visas. We're discussing the question, what happens if she's had one before? And I'm going to use the term she because the vast majority of our cases involve a Thai fiancé. Although, not all of them. The gender roles are sometimes reversed and we deal with a lot of same-sex couples. But so if I default to she, just that's why. The K-1 visa, what happens if she's had one in the past? Well, the next question becomes, well, how does she have one from the past? Does she have one with you, the same petitioner? If so, we have to get into issues associated with what's called the International Marriage Broker Regulation Act, or IMBRA, which pertains to, obviously, marriage brokers, which really is kind of an obsolete thing now, but there's provisions in there regarding multiple filings of K-1 visas, K-1 petitions, I should say. It more pertains to petitioners than it does to applicants, but it may be relevant if you've previously filed a K-1 on your present fiancé and you're looking to file and perfect another one. You may have to deal with what's called an IMBRA waiver under that set of circumstances. If, in fact, the fiancé in question has previously filed a K-1 and dealt with K-1 in the past, it may be possible to, this is going to get really circumstantially dependent because oftentimes you kind of need to look back at that prior case, see what was going on there, and make sure there's no issues of fraud, misrepresentation, and things. Not to say that that should be presumed, but you have to keep that in the back of, at least I have to keep that in the back of my mind when I'm dealing with K-1 applicants who've previously filed and maybe even obtained a K-1 with another American fiancé in the past. Kind of have to be aware of that past case when dealing with the present case. So it is something to be concerned about, although generally speaking, it's not going to be like a deal killer in terms of, whether or not that K-1 will ultimately be processed out.